So welcome back to another video on this beautiful day, and today I'm gonna carry on with some of the floor supports in the back, and I'm actually gonna start stripping the old floors and starting to make some room under the doors for the new panels. And yeah, we already winterized the boat, which is good. So now we can focus on the actual renovation work. So let's go. I'm gonna put one more support here in the back in the bathroom to make sure that my floors are stable here. Okay, so this part should be nice and stable now here. Which it is. That should work nicely. And now I'm gonna replace two hose clamps like this. I have two down there which are really rusty because they were cheap, and now I'm gonna replace them with the good ones, and hopefully they should last. I've got this beautiful anchor here, and thank God the winch is working again. I thought it was an electrical fault, but it was actually just a corrosion issue. So I'm gonna put the anchor back in place. And before I had kind of a thing like this, which wasn't great because every time you pulled up the anchor, that thing would get stuck on the wheel. So you're supposed to have something more like this. I'm not sure what the name for it is, and it's quite narrow, and it's and it's capable of sliding over the wheel as such. So I'm going to put that in place now. And then got another issue solved then. Okay, so that goes on the anchor as such. That's the old one. So that should work a lot better than before. So yeah, the winch was just a corrosion issue, and once I was down there, I also noticed that the chain has a chain box below, and the chain was never actually secured in the chain box. It was just laying in there. So if you were to use the entire length of the chain would just rattle out and pop in the water and fall in the water, basically. So I secured that, and I put a screw in place. So let's put this in place here now. All right. All right, solved. I'll put some citric acid on the kitchen panels with the hope that they will become less yellow and turn white again. So I'm paying close attention to that. But the fridge is very white, so that's a good indicator for what true white looks like. So I'm just gonna leave it do its thing, and then hopefully it's gonna turn white. So I feel like the right hand side has come up quite nicely, but the left is lacking a bit. Yeah, it shows a little bit on the video too. Yeah, the bottom cupboards have come up quite a bit. Yeah, the citric acid is doing its thing. Quite good. Yeah. So I got this old SAT cable here, which was for the satellite antenna, which I used to have in my old mooring. But it actually connects right behind the TV. It connects to the output there, and I don't think there's any need to keep this thing here. So I think I'm just gonna disconnect it and get rid of it if I can. Get rid of that thing. Because there's pretty good reception here. Yeah, there's pretty good reception here, so I think I can just get away getting a normal TV antenna. And so there's no need to get a satellite antenna or anything like that, which is good. So I can get rid of this cable crap. So yeah, the day's coming to an end, and I just had a look at the sleeping room, and I thought maybe I could change the floors just in the sleeping room to get a feel of what it's like, and not be totally overloaded with the task of changing the floors in the entire boat. But for now, I'm quite happy with the results so far. We're making some good progress here, and I think that with a little bit more work, we can end up having a really nice boat in the summer. If you liked the video, subscribe. See you in the next one.